Hello my lovelies, welcome back to another amazing video. Sam Pal20 is super happy to present two different types of Panamanian drinks. Today we're making Chicha de Manzana de Agua and Chicha de Naranjilla. So let's begin. So we're starting off with our Manzana de Agua, which is this beautiful reddish pinkish fruit, super juicy, native to Indonesia. It grows here in Panama between the months of January up until April. This fruit is also known all throughout the world with different names like Java apple, wax apple, mountain apple, and even pera de agua. So we're going to start off by adding roughly 3 cups worth of the Java fruit or Manzana de Agua. And we've already cleaned this and we're adding them in whole. We're also going to add about 1 cup to 1.5 cups of water. We're going to add all of this to a blender and we are going to blend away until everything liquefies. So this is just going to take a couple of seconds. Next, what we're going to do is to use a strainer to separate the delicious juice of la manzana de agua from its pulp. Then we're going to add sugar to taste, and voila, we have our pink and juicy Chicha de Manzana de Agua. Next up, our plump and juicy naranjillas or Lulo fruit. Now with this fruit, we are going to harvest it once it becomes this dark orangey deep color, and also it starts to give a delicious fragrance. That's when we know it's ready for our chicha or for our juice. Now I'm using a peeler here to peel off all the skins, and I'm also going to chop off the tops. Now once that's done, we're going to cut them into halves and then into quarters. Now to a blender, we're going to add about 3 cups worth of fruit. And we're also going to add about 2 to 2.5 cups of water. We're going to blend all of that away until it becomes this liquidy consistency. Once done, we're going to pass it through the strainer and we're going to separate the delicious juice from the pulp. Now the pulp is going to be a bit thick and it's going to have many seeds, but that's all right. We're going to continue to squeeze and squeeze and squeeze until all of the delicious juice has been separated. Next, we're going to add some sugar for taste, and voila, we have our delicious Chicha de Naranjilla or Lulo. So I want to thank everybody for watching this video today. Please remember to subscribe and also follow us on Instagram at san.pal20 so you never miss any fun facts. Bye-bye.